Hey guys, it's Tuesday morning. This is your girl. As you can see, I'm preparing, putting on my concealer. Please don't pay me any attention. I'm a hot mess right now, but I'm about to eat my breakfast. So yes guys, that's what I'm doing. This is my breakfast right here. This is some millet, and I grated some nutmeg on the top, and I'm drinking my glucerna. Actually, the liquid you're seeing is my glucerna I put in there, and I have 3 mangoes. So that is what I'm about to do. All right guys, let me go and finish eating. And yeah, today we are going to a rum factory, I think it is. So yeah, that's what you'll experience today with me. So yes guys, see you soon. Hello guys, your girl is getting ready. Face don't look that crazy anymore, right? This is the outfit for today. Just my athletic look. Let me show you. I gotta tie my laces. I didn't get a chance to do it yet, but this is my outfit for today. Yes, we're going out sexified today. It's very hot, and why not, right? We're on vacation, so we're allowed to show some skin. All right, what else? I'm switching my bag. I'm taking my backpack today. We're not walking with this bag. Put my clip there for my hair. We're gonna put this away. Travel with all my pocketbooks, everything. That's the bag for the beach. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the beach today, but we're gonna be prepared. We're going prepared just in case. Sunglasses. You know, I need to lotion my... Let me close this door because he's rehearsing his song. Oh, yeah, let me lotion my feet. Make sure you guys, my feet. Our driver is on his way. He said he's gonna be about 15 minutes late. So, guys, I take these oregano oils, and it just makes me burp so much. But it's very good. It's very good. Not complaining at all. I'm full. I ate all those mangoes. And I think it's taken a toll on my stomach. I went to the bathroom one time already, but it's all good. It's all good. Ain't nothing wrong with cleaning out your inside, right? TMI. Listen guys, we're all human, so whoever thinks it's too much information, get a life. Get a life. Over here we keep it real. Real, real, real. So if your poop don't stink, keep it moving. Spray perfume. I miss the gym so much. I didn't get a chance to work out here yet because it's just go, 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 go. Because we want to explore. Sometimes you appreciate the relaxing vacation where you're on the resort and you just eat and have fun. Guys, this is my first time coming on vacation with a wig. It's not bad at all. It's very light, so when I put it on, it's not heavy on my head. And yeah, curls is holding up. I'm not every day. Well, for the past 2 days, I've been washing it with Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner, just to, you know, just to bring back the curls and keep it fresh and smelling good. Let me grab my perfume. Actually, I grabbed my bag and my purse. Let me see how my backpack look. Why does it feel so heavy? I think it's a book in there. I need to take it out. I don't need it heavy on my lap. Yeah, here we go. And this is your girl, Carolina Herrera. I don't know which one this is, but it's the red. This is the red one. Yeah, Raw loved this so much. He rubbed up with the lotion. I think the lotion is in my bag right here. He loved this thing so much. Sometimes I'm like, no, buddy, you gotta smell it on me, not on you. All right, my tummy feels like, let me see, maybe, let's take this book out. I just need to make this as light as possible because I have my GoPro, and I think this bag is just heavy just in general because I don't have much. It's just my wallet and things for my lips, and this just in case we need to go to the bathroom on the road when we out there. As a girl, gotta stay fresh all the time. I'm really enjoying my vacation. I didn't get a chance to enjoy the pool yet. Because when you come in the evening, it's, you know, the breeze is so much and it's kind of chilly. This morning I went out, it was nice. It was nice and hot, and I think it was actually a perfect opportunity to go swimming, but I had some things to do. I checked my email at my job, which I should not be doing, but I did, but it was something that was important, so I had to address it on vacation. So that's the only reason why I did a little work this morning for my job. I opened up my computer so I can do some editing. I don't know if I should walk with it and leave it. Well, if I do that, then I won't be able to capture, you know, moments out there because I'm focusing on editing while we're driving. I need to sightsee and make sure I capture more content for you guys. So that's what I'll do. I'll just shut this computer down for now. Let's put her to sleep. Where is this? How do we put this to sleep? I'm still learning my MacBook. Yeah, hold on. While my computer is sleeping, I'm gonna put it to charge so the battery is fully charged. Hopefully tonight I can sit down and I think tonight I just want to come in with food and just chill. Yesterday we made it home for sunset. Oh, you guys saw in the previous video. Made it home sunset time and it was so gorgeous. But we were so tired. I didn't get to edit any video, but don't worry. It'll be done.
Placing heavy pressure on the limited movement system.
Did we have to pay the bathroom in Barbados to Chanel?
Hey? Oh.
Yeah. I think so, right?
I don't remember.
So I didn't want to use you can't use public.
Those are my spices. No need to search up the bag. All these here, we keep them for trash. You see, you're asking me what if we have trash bag. That's why I brought out. Why this gotta look so? This stuff irritates me. Wait. one towel is good or do two?
Are narrow and close to the edge, forcing people to maintain balance and control every step to avoid slipping.
I didn't wear a slipper. You didn't bring black slipper?
I don't have that slipper.
Paper towel finish.
Flawless, hairstyle, flawless, makeup, flawless, outfit. Rock with Shonda. Let's go. Watch this styler, watch this styler, watch this styler. Watch that scoop. Yeah, you step onto the sidewalk in those vintage heels. Ready to rock with Shonda. Show them how it feels. Hit it again, flawless makeup, fashion and your passion. Setting the trend, 7 days a week, always in fashion. You don't even have to break the bank to show your elegance. Sitting up and on designers, giving them their relevance. Epic global phenomenon. Walking down the avenue, nobody can match the powerful high energy vibe of you. Every single outfit is flawless, a work of living art. From the perfect hairstyle down to your woman.
Go.
Another year, after the journey, let's not walk on the party morning. Another year, energy, let me bring them sound. Yo.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, where they rum? Tell them you're a big dancer. Oh gosh, let me go. Taxi's here.
Big shoes.
Pull back. Good morning. How are you? Good.
General.
This rainbow eucalyptus tree is a famous living masterpiece in Grenada. It is celebrated for its vibrant, multicolor bark that reveals streaks of red, orange, lime green, and purple as it peels. The species was introduced to Grenada after Hurricane Janet in 1955. This specific tree was planted in 1977 to help stabilize the roadside bank.
Scientists came here, they try to go as far as they can and just keep going down.
Keep going down. Yeah.
Bottomless lake.
And then growing up, they would tell us like there's like a big fish or monster that will just grab you and never come back out. Because they don't want people swimming here.
Oh, so it don't even go far.
No, it's just around.
You know, I watched this morning in Russia. Something like this. It's called the Blue Lake. They don't have a bottom either.
Yeah?
Yeah. You were watching it with me this morning?
A little bit. Pass my bag.
You get mommy's bag, please?
Pass my bag.
The monkeys are cool.
Oh, my glasses. I'm gonna need glasses. Oh, Jazzy or Chloe, give me. Who wallet is this?
Chloe, is that yours? No?
Ah, this belonged to somebody else, I think.
That's not yours.
No, they say it's not theirs. I'm just backing up. Yeah, it is chilly. It is chilly up here. It's chilly. We didn't walk with nothing. We walked with towel. That's it. Hello. No. Well, I guess there are gonna be some angry monkeys.
That's where you get them to come on.
Okay. Okay. Guys, Grand Etang National Park and Forest Reserve is the oldest and largest protected nature reserve in Grenada, covering over 3,000 acres in the island's mountainous interior. It serves as the ecological heart of the country. It features lush tropical rainforests, extinct volcanic crater lakes, cascading waterfalls, and rare wildlife.
So they just
Just for you to see.
put that on the big man.
Yeah.
So the water kind of.
Yeah, look at that one there. Look at that one that big.
Oh, you're saying like the wetland will keep growing?
Oh, yeah.
Get a view of the monkey.
We're gonna take a picture with it. Yeah, man. I like that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh wow. You look relaxed.
Yeah.
Are they mean?
No.
No.
All right, you guys do it for me, yeah?
Yeah. Go on. She's gonna go first.
Mommy, kiss it.
No.
No, you can't do that.
There's a no charge, but you just give a tip of the trust.
Yes.
I'm not giving you. What?
Chicken. Stop. I'm talking to Chloe.
Close. Okay, the next one.
You go. You go.
Come on. Stand somewhere here. Come here. Come right here. Open your hands. Go in front.
Let me get a. You want a picture, mommy?
Hold it.
It's okay.
One come here. One stand right there. You're not getting it?
Hurry up, hurry up.
Put your hands like this and face the lake. Go
Face
one.
the lake?
Yeah.
No, watch it. Put your back facing the lake. Go to one. Go to one. Go to
Go
one.
down.
Good. Stretch your hands out. Hold up there. You come.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Who else want to try?
Go, Chloe. Amigo. They want chicken.
Give me that. I'll
Take
take it.
Take the ones.
Stand right there. Stand right there.
Yeah, it's not easy this.
Can I pet him?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Be careful with the pet there.
Oh.
Yeah, self-groom, eh? Yeah, self-groom. So if you don't want to feed touch him, you want to feed him?
No, it's okay.
You don't want to feed him?
How you doing the chicken?
I don't want to.
No, just hold it like this and feed it.
Yeah.
One hand, hold it like this and feed it.
Give me my phone.
Hold on.
Whoa.
Hold on, go close.
Thank you.
Simple.
Awesome. That was nice. You got a picture of that of Daddy?
Yeah, I got a picture of Daddy.
Did you get one of
Oh,
me?
not on your phone.
Who else want to try it? You want to try it again?
Who, me?
Wait, actually, can I do it again? Are you doing? Are you? No, I'm taking the picture. Okay, here, take mine then.
Sun face me. Come, one more. One more. Come on. To the sun. One more. It's the right.
Is it supposed to be a video? Yeah.
Onion.
See the.
Yeah, it smells like onion.
Look at his butt.
So good to know you guys. Have a good day. Girls, come on. Two kids, come on. Stop in line. Go in the line there.
I didn't know what to do.
You have a phone still, eh? Be quiet. Just form a line. He will come. Just form a line.
Mommy?
Are you afraid? Take the picture. You're taking the photo.
Johnny, did you send it to me?
No.
Okay.
Can you send it to me?
All you put it behind.
Just send me the screenshot.
Just go up
Okay,
some
let
more.
me
Go up some more.
move up, Jack.
Go up some more. Let's put it. Come on. Yeah. Okay, stay there. Alright, there we go. Come here. Coming down here, listen, coming down here.
That's crazy.
That was cool.
Oh no, that's the thing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.